Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a Trello card. So the first thing that you need to do is simply go to Trello.com and hit the enter button. Sorry. So go to Trello.com, hit the enter button, and this should take you into the home screen or main screen of Trello. If it's your first time, you'll be basically taken into this option or into another page, which is going to be basically the login page which is this one. And of course, you can click on login to log in into your account or get Trello for free to create an account. And you can use the Google, Apple, Slack, Microsoft if you have one of those accounts, so you don't go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself here. Of course, make sure to go and create a board if you don't have any board. And if you do have a board, just go on X1. Of course, in the board, you'll find some lists. And on that list, you'll find some cards. Now, you want to delete this card as an example. You can see when I click on card, I'll just add this card. And let's say I want to delete it. So all I need to do is just go and click on it and scroll down to the bottom. And as you can see, I'll find an archive button. So there's no delete button, there's archive. But if you click on archive here, as you can see, you will find either restore or delete. So once you go and click on delete as an example, as you can see, all action will be removed from the activity feed and you won't be able to reopen the card and there's no window. So if you want to really delete it, you can simply click on delete and as you can see, the card will be deleted. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.